Cadbury Dairy Milk is one of the world's most iconic chocolate brands, known for its rich, creamy texture and signature taste. Making millions of these beloved chocolate bars every day requires a combination of traditional craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and rigorous quality control. In this detailed narrative, we will take you behind the scenes of a Cadbury factory, uncovering the step-by-step process involved in creating these chocolate bars. From sourcing the finest ingredients to wrapping and shipping the finished product, every stage of production reflects Cadbury's commitment to excellence. The journey of Cadbury Dairy Milk begins in cocoa-growing regions like West Africa, South America, and Asia. Cadbury sources cocoa beans from certified sustainable farms, ensuring ethical farming practices and supporting local communities. Cadbury primarily uses Forastero and Trinitario cocoa beans for their flavor profiles. Through initiatives like the Cocoa Life program, Cadbury ensures fair wages, education, and environmental protection in cocoa farming. Milk is a key ingredient that gives dairy milk its creamy texture. Factories source fresh milk or high-quality milk powder from trusted dairy suppliers. The milk undergoes rigorous quality checks to meet Cadbury's standards. Sugar, vanilla, and cocoa butter complete the core ingredient list. Each ingredient is carefully sourced and tested to ensure consistency and quality. Once the cocoa beans arrive at the factory, they are cleaned and roasted to bring out their rich, chocolatey flavor. The roasting process involves precise temperature control to enhance their aroma and flavor. Advanced roasting machines ensure even roasting of large batches. After roasting, the beans are cracked open to separate the nibs, the edible part, from the shells. The nibs are then collected for the next stage, while the shells are discarded or used for composting. The nibs are ground into a liquid paste called cocoa mass or cocoa liquor. This process releases cocoa butter, the natural fat in cocoa beans, which contributes to the smooth texture of the chocolate. The cocoa mass is blended with milk sugar and additional cocoa butter to create the chocolate base. The proportions are carefully measured to match Cadbury's signature recipe. Factories often use milk powder instead of fresh milk to ensure consistency and stability in large-scale production. Industrial mixers blend the ingredients to form a homogeneous mixture. The mixture is passed through steel rollers to refine it into a smooth consistency. This process reduces the particle size of the cocoa and sugar to less than 30 microns, ensuring a velvety mouthfeel. What is conching? Conching is a critical step in chocolate making that enhances its texture and flavor. The chocolate mixture is continuously stirred and aerated in large conching machines for several hours. Aeration. This step removes volatile acids and moisture, resulting in a smoother, mellower taste. Heat application. Gentle heat is applied during conching to keep the mixture in a liquid state. Cadbury's unique conching process ensures that dairy milk achieves its signature creamy texture and rich flavor. The science of tempering. Tempering involves carefully heating, cooling, and reheating the chocolate to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. This step gives dairy milk its glossy finish, smooth texture, and satisfying snap. Temperature precision. Tempering machines maintain precise temperature controls to ensure consistency. Benefits of tempering. Properly tempered chocolate is less prone to melting and has a longer shelf life. Pouring into molds. The tempered chocolate is poured into specially designed molds that shape the chocolate into iconic dairy milk bars. Advanced machinery ensures uniform filling and minimizes air bubbles. Variety of molds. Factories use molds for different sizes, from small snack bars to larger family-size bars. Automation conveyor belts carry the filled molds to the cooling stations. Cooling. The molds are passed through cooling tunnels where the chocolate solidifies. The cooling process is carefully controlled to prevent cracks or uneven textures. Once the bars are fully set, they are removed from the molds and sent to the wrapping stations. Modern Cadbury factories use high-speed wrapping machines capable of handling thousands of bars per minute. A layer of foil is often used to preserve freshness and protect the chocolate. The bars are then wrapped in Cadbury's iconic purple packaging, featuring branding, nutritional information, and barcodes. Wrapped bars are grouped into cartons or display boxes for distribution. Robots and automated systems handle the boxing process to maximize efficiency. Every batch of Cadbury Dairy Milk undergoes stringent quality control measures, including checking for defects in molding or wrapping through visual inspection. A sensory panel evaluates the flavor and texture to ensure consistency. Samples are tested for microbial safety, moisture levels, and ingredient proportions in laboratory testing. Once packaged, the bars are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses to prevent melting or spoilage. From there, they are distributed to retailers, supermarkets, and export markets around the world. Refrigerated trucks are often used for transport in warm climates to maintain the quality of the chocolate. Cadbury Dairy Milk is sold in over 100 countries, requiring a robust logistics network. Through the Cocoa Life program, Cadbury supports sustainable farming practices, helping farmers improve their livelihoods and protect the environment. Cadbury factories are increasingly adopting renewable energy sources and energy-efficient machinery to minimize their environmental impact. To reduce waste, Cadbury is transitioning to recyclable and biodegradable packaging materials. From bean to bar, the production of Cadbury Dairy Milk is a masterclass in precision, innovation, and quality. The combination of traditional recipes and modern technology ensures that millions of chocolate bars are produced every day, delighting consumers worldwide. The dedication to sustainability and ethical practices also reflects Cadbury's commitment to a brighter future for both the planet and the communities it serves. The next time you savor a dairy milk bar, you'll know the incredible effort that goes into creating this timeless treat. The story of Cadbury Dairy Milk's packaging begins with a blend of innovation, precision, and a commitment to quality. Packaging plays a crucial role in preserving the rich, creamy chocolate and ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. Here's how this iconic packaging journey unfolds. The process starts in the design studio, where the focus is on balancing aesthetics and functionality. Designers consider several factors, including brand identity. Cadbury's iconic purple and gold colors are central to the design. These hues represent luxury, indulgence, and trust, making dairy milk instantly recognizable on shelves. Consumer needs. The design ensures convenience, with features like easy-to-open wrappers and durable materials to prevent melting or damage. Sustainability. Cadbury actively incorporates eco-friendly practices, opting for recyclable materials to reduce environmental impact. The materials used for dairy milk's packaging are carefully chosen for their durability and ability to preserve freshness. These include outer layer, a high-quality laminated foil for moisture and light resistance. Inner wrapper, a protective layer to keep the chocolate's texture and flavor intact. Carton or multi-pack cases. For bulk packaging, sturdy cardboard boxes are used, which are also recyclable. The packaging process involves cutting-edge machinery and technology. Printing advanced rotogravure or flexographic printing techniques are used to imprint the distinctive purple color, Cadbury logo, and product details onto the foil and wrappers. These techniques ensure high-definition, smudge-free designs, cutting and shaping. Large rolls of printed materials are cut into precise shapes and sizes to fit the chocolate bars. Barcode and batch information. Each wrapper is imprinted with tracking codes to ensure traceability and quality control. Once the chocolate bars are ready, they are sent to the packaging lines. Here's how the wrapping process works. Automated wrapping machines fold the foil and wrappers tightly around the bars to protect them from air and moisture. The edges are sealed using heat or adhesives, ensuring the chocolate remains intact during transit and storage. Each wrapped bar passes through quality checks to ensure uniformity and proper sealing. For bulk handling and distribution, secondary packaging, individual bars are grouped into multi-packs or placed in cardboard trays. Tertiary packaging. These trays are packed into larger cartons ready for shipping. These cartons are designed for easy stacking and handling, minimizing damage during transportation. Cadbury Dairy Milk is committed to reducing its environmental footprint. The company has adopted recyclable packaging. Most wrappers are designed to be recyclable or biodegradable. Reduced material use, thinner, stronger materials are used to minimize waste without compromising quality. Sustainable sourcing partnerships with suppliers ensure that materials are responsibly sourced. Once packed, the chocolate bars are shipped to distribution centers and retailers worldwide. The vibrant packaging helps dairy milk stand out on store shelves, enticing customers with its promise of a sweet, satisfying treat.